The AnkiCardDia dictionary is not limited to a single image per card. It also allows you to add multiple images, displayed as an interactive gallery. Of course, you can upload pictures manually, but there's a faster and smarter way. You can connect AnkiCardDia to the free photo library Pexels via their API. This integration lets you automatically download beautiful and relevant images to help you visually memorize new words. Pexels offers up to 20,000 free requests per month and 200 requests per hour, making it an excellent choice for enriching your personal dictionary. These limits are valid as of 2025, but you can always check the official Pexels website for updates. Now let's set it up. In the Anki application, go to Tools arrow AnkiCardDia Dictionary Settings. Enable image downloads by switching to Yes. Then click the Get Pexels API key button. If you don't have a Pexels account yet, simply register. It's free. Once you've logged in, open the Image and Video API section from the drop-down menu, the three-dot icon at the top. On that page, click Your API Key to start generating your own key. You'll now see a short form to describe your project. Here's what to enter. For project name, you can write AnkiCardDia. For project category, choose something like lifestyle. To explain briefly how and where you want to integrate their photos, write that you'll use the API to load images into your personal language learning dictionary automatically. Read and accept the terms of service, then generate your key. Once your API key appears, copy it and go back to the Anki application. AnkiCardDia Dictionary Settings. Paste the key into the Pexels API key field and click OK. From now on, every new word you add to your dictionary will automatically come with a gallery of matching images, instantly enriching your flashcards. Stop spending hours filling your dictionary by hand. Focus on what truly matters. Learning faster and smarter with AnkiCardDia.